What's up, guys? It's me, Bowhunter, and this is my first video. And I just got raided on factions on mcmmo.mysticfacts.net. But we're about to go and do a 6-4 slime opening and see what we get. Yeah. Once this all loads in. I haven't got YouTuber rank because I've only got 17 subs, I think. Maybe a bit more. But let's go. Bam. First one. Oh. 7 pickaxes. If my mic messes up, I'll probably edit everything out. Oh, 13 diamonds. I got more diamonds. Insects what are pointless. Boom. 30 diamonds, I can sell them. Got 4 stack. 64 fucking diamonds. One! Come on, come on. This is fucking hilarious. Oh my god, look at all this stuff. Oh my god. Just the money what I'm gonna get from this is gonna be damn it. Nah, go away, mate. Go away, mate. Oh, you know what? Have them. You know, just chilling with that though. Just chilling with that. You gonna say? Let's see what he says. Oh, no, go away, go away. That stat goes up. I'm nearly at a K. I mean, K. My most is a mil what I've been up to, but I bought like a load of RB for the base what just got raided. Well, can you message legend? Wait, how do you spell his name? Oh my god, legend move. No. Oh, I actually hate him. Like, oh, I hate him. Alright, I'm at 100k. Alright, I just need to go and do something. Slash home base. Alright, this is my G5 base right now. Oh shit. I heard TNT. Don't know if that's just my imagination. We've got a stack of 64 so. Oh my god, I've got slash home vault. This is a shared vault. Alright, I've got like sorry, I went quiet. I'm actually gonna go slash home base. So I'm actually just gonna put, oh my god, oh my god. Who wants more? I just gotta check if someone's on. Hope he's not. What's his name? I'll just message him. Message, what's his name? Fran, you on? Shit, he is. Shit. Is he AFK? I think he's AFK. No, 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 no. That's what I'm gonna do. Hope he doesn't message me using his slime board, but I will pay him back. Alright guys, so that's gonna end it off. I'll see you in the next one.